Hey developers! Welcome back to Quick Dev. In this section, we're going to delve into the heart of HTML, the document structure. Understanding how to structure your HTML documents is crucial. So, let's jump right in. First things first, every HTML document starts with a basic structure, commonly known as the HTML boilerplate. It's like the foundation of your web page. Take a look at this example. As you can see, we have the HTML, head, and body tags. The HTML tag wraps everything, indicating the start and end of the HTML document. Inside it, we have the head and body tags. The head section contains metadata about the document, such as the character set, viewport settings, and the page title. It doesn't display anything on the actual web page, but provides crucial information for browsers and search engines. Now, the body section is where the visible content of your web page resides. This is where you'll place your headings, paragraphs, images, links, and all the elements that users will interact with. Beyond the basic structure, HTML allows you to organize your content further. Elements like header, NAV, and footer add semantic meaning to your code and help in creating a well-structured and accessible web page. Let's put this knowledge into practice. Imagine we're creating a simple web page. We could have a header section for our site's name, a navigation bar for easy navigation, and a footer for additional information or links. Understanding the HTML document structure is a fundamental step in web development. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into HTML elements and tags. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're finding this series helpful. Let's keep coding together. Thanks for joining me today. Happy coding and see you in the next video.